Ter rein had stoppet, bit te smel of weet eer te stil lingeret in tanar of streets of de old nijgeboorwoord. Te sky was jafai with the clouds, as if it, toe, was in sere weter to clear or to kry again. Tes was de kind of evening dat ma de pupile tank, about their liefes, their choices, and the roads they had taken. Ion stood at the balsonei of his father's grandhouse, staring doven at the street below. From above, verrighting looked small pupile, women's problems. Dat was hove had always seen te word, de stand, managable, and under control. Wielte had built invisible walls around him, walls so hegget dat rarelei veld te terugles of toese outside. Uittonig het something felt different. Across the street, in a small rented room with a cracked walls and a leaking roof, Samir sat on the floor beside his motor. A single bulb flickered above him, fighting darkness with a weak eye of light. Samir held a notebook in his hands, old, torn at the edges, but precious to him. It contained his dreams, written in uneven handwriting. Ami, Samir said softly, one day, I will fit this house. I will obey how medicines without thinking twice. How will not have to worry anymore. His mother's mallet, touwgepijn was clear in her eyes. But I don't want a big house. I just want to see a house achieved with honesty. Honesty. Dat woord carried weighed in Samir's world. Ion's restlessness. Ion left the balcony and entered his room, filled with literature, soft carpets, expensive paintings, and a bed big enough to fit 3 people. Despite all his comfort, he felt restless. His father's voice echoed in his mind. Meneer is pover, Ion. Never forget dat. Bid was dat altere was. Earlier that day, Ion had seen Samir for the first time, not as a shadow across the street, but as a person. Their eyes had met briefly near the corner shop. Samir had been helping an old man pick up fallen groceries, while others walked past without stopping. Dat imagere visit to lieve Ion's mind. Why wilt someone help without admitting anything? Ion muttered to himself. In his world nothing came free. Samir silent battle. Samir woke before dawn the next morning. The child to prayer echoed trouwge te nijgeboorwoord, soft uit powerful. He performed video with the cold water, ignoring the chill, and prayed with the voetjes. Prayer gaf him strength, the kind no moenie thult by. After fire, he prepared for another long day,